Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with TD Ameritrade, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting with TD Ameritrade, visit their official website. Look for the Open New Account button on the home page. Click on this button to start the account creation process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open. Options typically include individual, joint, or retirement accounts. Select the account type that best fits your investment needs. Next, fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your date of birth and employment information. Answer any questions related to your investment experience and financial situation. Once you complete this section, review and confirm your information before proceeding. You will then create a username and a password for your online account. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your information. After setting up your login credentials, you may need to fund your new account. You can link a bank account for deposits or choose to transfer funds from another brokerage. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the funding process. After your account is funded, you can access your TD Ameritrade account online. Log in using the username and password you created earlier. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features. Explore tools for research, trading, and analysis available on the site. Consider downloading the TD Ameritrade mobile app for trading on the go. If you have any questions, TD Ameritrade offers customer support via phone and chat. Utilize educational resources offered on their website to enhance your trading skills. Now you're ready to start trading and managing your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.